Hey everyone, my name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to write a script quickly and easily. It's super simple. First, start by giving ChatGPT a clear idea what you want. For example, if you need a script for a YouTube video, you could say something like, I need a script for my YouTube video, right? Or I need a 3-minute script for my YouTube or about how to cook pasta, right? Pasta. And this gives a ChatGPT a clear topic to work with. And then ask for an outline. You can say, can you give me an outline for this script? Are you gonna wait from here? Can you give me an outline for for this script, right? And ChatGPT will break it down into key points, which helps organize the flow of your video. Next, you can request a more detailed version of each section. For example, can you expand on the introduction? Can you expand on the introduction, right? And hit enter. Or can you write the conclusion for me? However you want, you can just do it on your own time. In my case, can you expand on the introduction? And ChatGPT will help you develop each part of the script. If you want more details or changes, just ask. For example, can you make the tone more casual or add a funny line here? Add a funny line here, right? And you're gonna write down which part that you want to add the funny part, right? And hit enter, okay? And finally, once you have everything, do a quick review and edit the script to make sure it sounds just how you want it. And that's it. You've got a fully written script ready to go. ChatGPT makes the whole process faster and easier, and you can customize it however you want or however you like. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, to on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.